And then you can see I've got M18 sample game code there. That should be exactly what I just demoed for you. You will have to get images for the airplane and the missile. So you need to get those. You need to make sure they're pointed to correctly in the paths. You need to put them in your folder. You're going to need to install Pygame. But if you can get to the point where you can run that game with any images, that's a pretty good setup for what we'll do next time, which is we'll actually come in and modify that game so that it looks like a completely different game. Because that mechanic, if you went into an arcade in 1985, right, about half of the games would be based on this exact same game mechanic with very little changes. Maybe like gravity or directionality, definitely graphics and things like that. But this is super common. So you can make a million different games with this, just with a small amount of change. So that's what we're going to do next time. Today, I would really recommend like try to get Pygame working. If you can do that, you're in pretty good shape. And then maybe start tweaking some of the variables and see what happens.